To free up memory by closing apps that are running in the background in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care and then tap memory. Here you can see some of the apps that are currently using your memory. If needed, you can tap view more to see more of the apps in the list. If needed, you can also remove the check mark next to the certain app that you don't want to be closed when you do optimization. Next, tap clean now to close all checked apps from running in the background. As a note, the memory on your phone quickly loads all of the information about the apps or game you are using. However, if almost all of available memory in your phone is being used, you might find that your phone will slow down or apps will not function as they should. For that case, you can free up memory on your phone by closing apps that are running in the background. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.